In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your LinkedIn ads account to Hubspot. Connecting these two platforms can be incredibly beneficial for your business, allowing you to seamlessly manage your marketing campaigns and gain deeper insights from your LinkedIn ad data directly within HubSpot. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to hubspot.com. Once you're there, click on the login button in the top right corner and sign in using your HubSpot credentials. If you're new to HubSpot, you'll need to create an account first, but assuming you already have one, go ahead and log in. After logging in, you'll land on your HubSpot dashboard. From here, locate the marketplace icon in It looks like a small store and is usually found in the main navigation bar. Click on it to enter the HubSpot app marketplace. Inside the marketplace, you'll see a wide range of apps that can be integrated with HubSpot. Since we're focusing on LinkedIn ads, look for the app section or simply use the search bar at the top. Type LinkedIn ads and HubSpot will display the relevant integration options. When you see LinkedIn ads, click on it to open the details page. Here you'll find information about the integration, including features, reviews, and setup instructions. Once you've reviewed the details and confirmed it's the correct app, click the Install App button. This will begin the integration process between HubSpot and LinkedIn ads. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the integration. You may be asked to log into your LinkedIn account during this process, so make sure your LinkedIn credentials are handy. After authorization, HubSpot and LinkedIn will begin syncing, allowing your ad performance data to flow directly into HubSpot. And that's it. Your LinkedIn ads account is now successfully connected to HubSpot. From this point on, you can monitor and optimize your LinkedIn campaigns right from your HubSpot dashboard. This integration not only saves you time, but also enhances your ability to analyze and improve your ad performance in one central location. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below.